Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Blood Pop on piano step by step. First, familiarize yourself with the main chord progression. This song primarily uses a few repeating patterns. Next, identify the key signature, which is typically C major, and set your metronome to a moderate tempo, around 100 beats per minute. Finally, ensure your hands are relaxed and positioned comfortably over middle C. Now let's focus on your left hand. It will primarily play the bass line and root notes of the chords. Practice these patterns slowly, ensuring each note is clear and has a steady rhythm. Concentrate on smooth transitions between chord changes, avoiding any abrupt stops. Aim for a consistent, supportive volume that complements the melody without overpowering it. Moving to the right hand, we'll tackle the main melody. Break it down into small, manageable phrases and learn each one individually. Pay close attention to the articulation, whether notes are staccato or legato, and the dynamics, playing some parts softer or louder. The key is to coordinate your right hand melody with the left hand's chord changes for a cohesive sound. Finally, it's time to combine both hands. Start very slowly, focusing on accuracy and synchronization. Gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable. Using a metronome is crucial for developing precise timing and a strong rhythmic foundation. Remember to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.